Welcome to the Twilio message log section. In this video, we're going to demonstrate or provide an explanation of the column headings, links, buttons, and color coding. So right at the top, we have a few links back to the client. It just gets you back to the client file. This will send you to the permanent documents page. This one's to the account documents page. And this will send you to the Twilio message page, which is located in your office overview. Then we have moving down here, we have the to. So this would be the person if we're actually sending a text to the client. So John Casey happens to be the client, the taxpayer. Mary is the spouse. Jason is the secondary contact. So each one of these individuals have to have a cell phone number field in order to display right here in the contact information section. The message, this is the text. This is where we're actually going to send the text message. Whatever message we want to send to the client, we would type it right here. Predefined message. These are all set up in admin under Twilio predefined messages. And you can have as many as you'd like. So if you select one, it'll pre-fill in the message field here and then you can send it. So I cancel that. And obviously the send button, that's just to send the message. The from column, that's the person who actually sent the message. So in this case, John Casey sent a message to X-Tax, the company. And here's their message. And this is highlighted in yellow right now because this means this is an open message. This has not been replied to. There's no end date right here. That's why this is actually shaded yellow or highlighted yellow. The message is actually the text message that was sent to us, to the company from John. A note, that would be if an employee attaches a note to that text message. So in the message down here, it says I can't come in today. And then an employee put a message and assigned it to Mark saying, can you text someone else to get them to come in? So this works just like every other note field when you're assigning a task to somebody. And then now we're moving into the assign to, and then we have assigned due dates. These work exactly like every other assignment that we have inside of Atom. Dates and times, start dates, end dates, and then the Twilio attachment. That's if you were to, the only time this will come into play is if your company sends out a happy birthday wish to the client and they attach like a picture, like a birthday cake. It would show it right here as a Twilio attachment. The color coding, we already mentioned the highlighting yellow. Blue, that just means the client sent you the message. And then gray is going to be a message being sent from the company to the client. So down here where it says X-Tax, that means it was a generic message, not a specific individual sent the message. So that's why it says the company name, like maybe happy birthday or get a copy of your tax return. But if I were to go in the client file and specifically send a message to this individual, John, then it would actually say it was coming from Mark. And lastly, the buttons. The only button we have is if you're to check a box here and then say complete. And for more information, visit atomanager.com.